What it is, crew? On our way to Jonathan All-Star game. We're gonna see what them boys do tonight. Got DJ in the house, along with Nikki. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog? Alright, pull a DJ.
Turn it up. Get all the mic off.
We'll get back with y'all, man. What it is, y'all just came back from the All-Star game. We on Vlogmas. They look at the title, because I don't know, like I always, I think it's the 13 or the 14 one on. But anyway, just got back, sitting around here just lounging. It's a Saturday night. Me and Nikki may step out tonight, see what the world do. Other than that, we just sitting here chilling. It's her right here.
Don't put that camera on me.
I'm gonna put it on you.
Don't put it on me. Take it off me. I'm serious.
Anyway, she being a little jerk right now. So, but I don't know, fellas and fellettes. If you can. She don't toot it off. I'm gonna try to come back. I don't know, but it's boring right now, y'all. It is boring. You know what you want to say? Huh? Hey, you cheated on that word search. But you ain't cheat. Yo, yeah, you did, because you were talking to me, trying to distract me while you finding damn words like you damn don't know what you doing. That is cheating. It's a form of cheating. So we got to do that over. Because I don't think you won, fam. And I was just looking at the video. The word was right there. Oh. Y'all watch that video. The word, my last word was sitting right dead so in the middle of the doggone paper. I couldn't find it. But it's all good. I'll win the next challenge.
Look at these. These got the paper and the bowls in the box. I already got paper though.
For boxes. I like that transition.
Huh?
Talking to the fam. Say what's up to the vlog.
Somebody go and get the damn 50.
Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? We in here. I'm here to wrap gifts. I need some boxes of some tissue paper. This can't be all the boxes they got. I know. This can't be. I need some bowls. We gotta find some bowls. No. I wonder if I could just find silver and gold. What?
I'm gonna call y'all fit.
Silver and gold or either all gold.
Miss McMahon, we taking offer.
Oh, stop it. Them days I had.
She'll be like, no other. She will cuss you out. Make you some good promos.
Oh, yeah, I'll be a manager.
Have some good promos. And the wrestling fans, you know what I'm talking about. She will cut some good promos.
He trying to
Can
be
y'all
funny,
just
y'all.
imagine Nikki talking shit for WWE?
He trying to be funny because he talking about my leg woman.
No, I ain't. I
Yes,
think we
he
gonna
is.
do. Listen, them leg warmers look fresh. I like
I
that.
know.
I ain't got nothing against that. You look fresh.
Fly shit on me.
That's it. I am
Let's
not hating on that.
let's go down here and see if they got some bows.
Whoever don't understand it, you know it. That shit look fly. Pause for 1 second. Turn around. I'll see you.
Hey, with the flip flops. Oh, it's some tape on this one talking about bows. They got a bag with these colors in it. I prefer silver and gold if I can find it.
These little collars, well, I guess they ain't that bad. Look, pet collars, name tags, food, toys. These bikes look nice. I like the color, like the purple and black and the pink and black. Tractor.
So, let me talk to them. So I'm finna go home and I'm probably finna wrap some gifts because it done got late and Jonathan is asleep. Because he don't know what all we got. Yeah, he don't know what all we getting him. So I'm finna go home and wrap like some of his clothes that we got. I ordered him some stuff.
Delight an entire family and make the whole legendary. Simply purchase a large quantity of
So you guys, we've made it back home. And I know I said I was gonna wrap some gifts. I may get up in the morning and do it. I'm upset because I wanted to be able to find silver and gold bowls in one pack. But unfortunately, I could only get a pack that had like silver and white. So I'm gonna probably try to find a pack that got some gold in it. But I just hate to buy all them extra bowls that I'm not gonna use. Because I want my tree to be color coordinated. So I want all the wrapping paper to be gold and silver. And I want the bowls to be gold and silver and white. I don't know, I might even add some white wrapping paper, I don't know. Swoop in here with his greedy self, not trying to get something to eat. Why don't you just get a new cup? Do you know, it's a pet peeve when people be recycling cups and stuff. I feel like that's so germy. And he got a bad habit of that.
Man, listen, don't be telling my business.
Y'all see these shot cups up here? Nah, okay, yeah, it's probably only 3 left in the pack now.
Hey, you can talk all you
But
want,
before
'cause I'ma
that,
cut that out.
listen, but before that, I had like 2 or 3 packs of shot cups up here. This man will use the same shot cup for 2 or 3 days. Like it's a shortage.
Like that,
What?
I don't drink like that. I'm gonna cut all that out.
He only got a new cup because I just said something. You know it.
Why are you telling my business?
You ain't got no business. Everything go on the vlog. You know that. Y'all, he finna eat with his greedy self. And I probably picked all the shrimp out that pasta.
No, I didn't.
I don't believe it.
I only got 2 pieces of shrimp. 1, 2. 2.
I hope you didn't, because when I get ready to get some. Okay, we done made it back to the house, y'all. It's chilly outside. I'm finna go take some of this stuff out because it's warm in my house. Now I got hot. So I'm gonna change clothes. I'll be back. Now Jonathan done went in there and went to sleep. We constantly tell him, cut your lights off, cut your TV off before you go to bed. I just want y'all to see this. Cut that light. Cut that light on over there. Cut that light on over there. Go cut his light on. Go cut his light on in this room. I want y'all to see. You just got up. You was not up.
I was up before this.
No, you wasn't.
I swear.
He was not up.
Can I get that camera out? I'm really trying to lay down, please.
Okay.
You can't tell them that.
Because you was asleep.
No,
You done took that Benadryl. I know you sleep. All right, y'all. That's the end of this vlog. We'll see y'all in Vlogmas Day 14. Wait a minute. What day today? What's the day? Huh? Okay, well, y'all will see it in the title, whatever day it is. We'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm about